Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are interested in making this delicious lamb chop recipe, lamb lollipop recipe, stay tuned. So we're gonna start off with the actual lamb. I got this from Sam's Club because it's cheaper. So I basically got like 2 racks for $25 in 1 pack, and I got 2 packs. When cutting your lamb, you wanna make sure you cut along the bone, and you get that nice clean cut for all of them so that they look like little lollipops. So we're gonna clean the meat with some distilled white vinegar. You always wanna clean your meat to kill some bacteria. I actually use more than that, so I'd recommend using probably half a cup for 1 pack. You gotta get the Marsala cooking wine to induce all the flavors, so 2 caps for that. And we're going to place all of these on the tray, equally spread apart so that we can season them. You can use any non-stick flat tray or any glass tray so that they sear better. For my seasonings, I'm using some Mrs. Dash. I'm also going to be using some cumin and some paprika and a little bit of kosher salt. I'm going to season all of that one side, then flip it and do the same to the next side. And you're gonna just sprinkle it all over. You wanna do a light covering. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 like I stated in the beginning. Spray it with the olive oil and cook it for 1 hour on 350, then flip it and cook it for 10 minutes on 450. I'll be using this apricot spread that I got from Publix just to add a little bit of sweetness to give it that lollipop flavor. You just need to add like a tip of the spatula. You don't need too much because you want to actually taste the meat flavor too. And here we go, you guys. You have your lamb lollipops, and you can have it with whatever side that you want.